So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually convert image into AI video. This is a question that so many people have been asking, like they don't know how to create these videos and they really need assistance. And now I'm going to show you how you are going to create what we call AI video from the image. So guys, first of all, make sure that you have Gemini, either Gemini or ChatGPT. I really like Gemini, but also let's go to ChatGPT, and we are going to tell ChatGPT to. So guys, we have this is the prompt that we have given the ChatGPT. Dialogue begins. Woman weeping, sweat softly. Every sunrise is another chance. So this is the prompt. After creating this prompt, what we are going to do now, we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us an image of the same prompt. Kindly give me an image of the same prompt. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Let's wait and see. It is almost. So this is the image. This is the image. Let's tell ChatGPT to give us this image in 9 by 16. Make it in 9 by 16 ratio. Yeah, you can actually tell ChatGPT whichever ratio of an image that you need. If you want it in 16 by 9, you tell it either. Now you see, this is the image that ChatGPT has provided us. This is 9 by 16, and this one is 16 by 9. This one is for YouTube, and the second one is for either Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and maybe YouTube Shorts. So we are going to click on the video. In order to download it, click on the arrow, and it's now downloading. You see how beautiful image looks, and it looks exactly like, human. So what we are going to do now, let's go back to the place whereby we are going to generate the image.
Every sunrise is another chance. This soil feeds my children, and it gives me strength. Good morning, Amina. You're already in the field?
Now, let's go to YouTube, and here on YouTube, click on the plus sign. After clicking on the plus sign, you will see this interface. This is me, guys. Hello. And then click on video. Click on shorts. Yeah, after clicking on shorts, you are going to click this the Gemini that you see up here. Click on it, and here you are going to click on the plus sign. Click on this plus sign here, and you are going to, this is the place where we are going to paste the prompt and to add the image. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now in the ChatGPT, you are going to start from the beginning, from where the dialogue begins. You will click on this like this and click on copy. After that, you will go to your gallery. You will go back to YouTube and copy the paste there, paste the prompt, and then here, and you will click on manage. After clicking on manage, so guys, this is the image. Click it, and now we have the image and the prompt. click on the arrow to start downloading the image. Click the image. For those people who really want to learn AI, this is how it is done. And when you follow these things, like when you follow how I'm doing it, it is very easy, actually, very easy to do, as long as you know those sites that you're going to generate your video, your image, to generate the image and to generate the image from the video from the image, and to get the prompt. And this place, you see, it is very easy. And actually this one, it gives a very good video, and it is very fast to upload the video. You see, guys, now what you're going to do, click on download and you click on next. You click on both, download and next. Don't click on download alone or next. If you click on download, it is not going to give you what you want. So that video is, you see, this is the video. Yes. Now let's go back to ChatGPT again to click the prompt.
When the land calls, I must answer early. Hard work brings a good harvest. You inspire me. Your farm is always the best in the village.
Now we go to ChatGPT, and remember, the place whereby we are generating the image, it can generate up to 9 seconds. Imagine. Now we have taken the first dialogue and the second one. Now let's take the third one. This one here. Yeah. We take that one. Now that one is very long. Let's take it up to there. And then we are going back to here. Then you will just click on there and click again here. After clicking, you are going to paste your prompt and add the image. This is the image. Add the image and click on the arrow. Guys, this one is very fast. So if maybe you wanted to learn on how to start your AI journey, this is it. This is how you are going to do it. It is very easy to do it. So let's wait for the video to download. You see, it is 95%. It is ready. Now this is the second one. So you don't have to wait it to to just click on download and next. You click on download and next. Very easy. And the video is going to be, it is going to, you see, video saved to camera roll. Now let's make the third one. We want to make everything like it is step by step, guys. So this is the last prompt here. You see, click on it. Let's go there. Click on back here. Come on plus sign. Paste the prompt. Click on plus sign. Click on the same for you to get a consistent image and video. Make sure that you are using the same image that ChatGPT or Gemini gave you. Now click on the arrow. It's downloading. This is step by step thing. Yeah, it is a step by step thing. So you don't have to worry yourself of how you are going to make these videos, how you're going to learn. AI is all over and everyone is using AI. So you have to learn it, like you have to learn it, and you don't have to pay you don't have to pay money to pay people money in order to know these things. People are taking advantage of, the innocent human being in order to teach them. And you see how fast. So guys, this is the video. Now, click again on the download and next. Very important. Download and next. Download and next. So you see, this is another video. You see guys, the lip sync is very, very, very good. So after this, what you are going to do next